What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my Miniverse. Today we are in our miniature Target. Oops, gotta make sure the store is tidy before we open. Our miniature Target is stocked full of minis. And today we are adding to it with Mini Brands Disney 100. I bought these at Target for $8.99. They have 50 plus limited edition platinum minis to collect, including Disney, Pixar, Marvel, and Star Wars. In a perfect world, they would be separated. Sorry, but I'm here for the Disney and the Pixar. And Grogu, cause he's stinking adorable. Let's go ahead and open up our first one. Remove the outer plastic. I like to use a little manicure tool to assist with the opening process. Remove the inner plastic. We have one white capsule, and let's open it. Inside we have paper bags that say Mini Brands Disney 100. There's a collector's guide showing us all the platinum minis. They are separated by availability. I need Bo Peep and those Disney Animator Collection dolls, the Beast, Flynn, and Jasmine. There are a lot of princesses under Rare. That's where we find Rapunzel, Aurora, and Belle, as well as the Disney Animators Collection, Ariel, and Snow White. Oh man, Tiana is ultra rare. Then there's Iconic, where we find Cinderella, and Lux for Elsa. Oh man, I'm kind of nervous that it might be difficult to find some of those princesses. Our first mini is Captain Marvel in platinum and gold. The packaging is really pretty. Our second one is Bullseye from Toy Story. Well, I do like horses. This figure looks just like the regular ones, only the packaging is platinum and the horse has a little shimmer. Oh, and the saddle is platinum. I'm really hoping for a Disney princess. That looks like Spider-Man. Yep, it's the Spider-Mobile and Spider-Man set. Only Spider-Man is a printed image on the back. In this bag, we find the Disney Princess Snap and Go camera. This gives us an opportunity to get the camera in a different color. And our last one for this capsule is a food storage container? Yep. It's metallic, has Minnie Mouse, and the side is platinum. Here it is next to the regular one. Okay, so we're getting a lot of the same minis, only in a different color. These three were common, Bullseye was rare, and the Spider-Mobile was ultra rare. So there's hope that we will find the rare and ultra rare princesses. All right, let's open another one. But honestly, part of me wishes we could just buy the ones we wanted. But I keep telling myself if we get doubles today, it's okay because we can stock our little mini store. It's Princess Leia. You know I love sci-fi, but when it comes to my minis, I only want the princesses. It's Princess Jasmine, our first Disney 100 princess. And yes, she's pretty much the same as the other Jasmine. But this one is platinum. It looks like her printing is off just a little. But it's our first princess, and as far as I know, it might be my only one, so I'm not gonna complain much. It's the rare Disney Animators Collection Ariel. Aw, she has a little silver tail. 2 princesses. We are on a roll. It's Forky from Toy Story. And the last one from this capsule is a Silver Alice. Yes! This was a nice capsule. I'll take more of these. Opening capsule number 3. And the first one is a double? We got a second Ariel. Okay, relax. This is good. We want to make a display. We need more. Because as of right now, we don't have enough princesses to make a end cap. That's not a princess. It's an alien from Toy Story. I guess we could just use any of the Disney 100s on our end cap if we don't have enough princesses. It's Bo Peep. Now, she's not a Disney princess, but we'll probably still use her. I love these little figures. Come on, mini brands, make us some Barbies. It's the collab we're all waiting for. Or at least I am. It's Hawkeye's bow and arrow. And here we have a box with paper inside, and it does make me feel some kind of way. But we can totally start to transform this end cap for our Disney 100 display. I'm gonna use some Disney Doorables packaging and cut a few things out, like Disney 100. Now, let's take our OMG display and move it. Since I attach everything with poster putty, we can just move OMG to a back wall, add our new sign above the shelves, and now our 1/6 Target employees can start stocking the shelves with our Disney 100 minis. Right now, I have my Disney Princesses, Animators Collection, and I have Toy Story at the bottom. I need more. This is our 4th capsule, and is it shelf worthy? It's Toy Story. We can use it, but I don't think we have a lot of space for any more aliens. In the next bag, we find... Yes! We got Flynn Rider from Rapunzel. He's totally going on the shelf. This one feels like a cup. Let's see. Is it? Yep. It's a platinum Grogu cup. We have 2 bags left for this capsule. The first one is... Tiana! What? No. Yes! Ultra rare Tiana. I literally thought I was never gonna find this. But we did. And the other bag has... Is that another doll? Nope, it's another bow and arrow. Capsule number 5. My mission right now is to just stock that display with the minis that I want. That's another cup. This is another bullseye. I think this is Hawkeye's bow and arrow again. No, it's a lightsaber. A platinum lightsaber. It's making me think Ahsoka. This one feels like it might be a paper product. Yep, it's a Toy Story shopping bag. Come on, I need a princess. This one feels like it might be a Disney princess. Yes, we got Rapunzel. Loving it. She can go right next to Flynn. This is capsule number 6 and my last one. I probably should have picked up a couple more or picked a smaller shelf to do my display. This is the rare Spider-Man, and this one is another Bo Peep. Wow, we have a lot of Toy Story. Only 3 bags to go. Oh, I thought it was a mini telephone, but it's the picnic basket. It does have glitter on the top. Here it is next to the regular one. Only 2 left. And this is a double. It's another Disney Animators Collection, Alice. And this double has a spot right here. I want to move the Disney Animators Collection dolls up a shelf, but this shelf is a little short, so I can't put them there. So I need more small stuff. My measurements were off, and this is my last one, which is Aurora. Yes, we have a whole shelf of Disney princesses. I can live with that. Or I could run to Target and pick up another one. I only bought 2. I am exercising a little restraint. Plus, these are like $9 each, so yeah, no. Now, let's open our first one. It's the Luxe Mickey. Okay, so what I'm seeing is that there is a possibility we could find Elsa. Let's keep going. This one is a double of Princess Leia and another food storage container. We could put those in the college dorm room in the mini fridge, you know. Ultra rare Lotso. That one goes with Toy Story. Not enough shelf space. And the last one for this capsule is Tink. We have a silver Tinkerbell. We can place her right next to Alice. And this is my last one again. After this, we would have opened a total of 8 capsules. I just want one more Disney princess. I have a feeling this is Hawkeye's bow. Is it? Yes. And this one is... Oh, it's a silver Chewbacca. To be honest, we haven't seen a ton of doubles other than Hawkeye's bow and Alice. There's 3! I don't have enough shelf space. Just 2 left. This one is Flynn Rider again. Don't mind that double. And the very last one is another Sleeping Beauty. Wow, that capsule was pretty good, even though we got a few doubles. I've arranged all of my Disney 100 figures on the shelf, and because I move this set a lot, I cut strips of clear plastic from packaging to glue the figures to. I glue them lined up on the front of the plastic, then place any doubles loose behind them. And I was thinking, since all of these are just the same figure only painted platinum, couldn't we just take a double, remove it from the box, and paint it, add a little glitter glue or nail polish to make our own Disney 100 Elsa? In fact, we can take any of our doubles and repaint them to make our own Disney 100 minis. And we can pretend like it's a store display. Seriously, this is a great way to use our doubles, and we don't have to spend any extra money. Yeah, this is totally how I'm going to complete my collection. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Mini Brands Disney 100. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.